Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to understand campaigns in Salesforce. Campaigns are essential for tracking your marketing efforts, managing leads and contacts, and measuring the success of your initiatives. So let's dive in and see how they work. First, you'll need to access the Campaigns tab. Click the App Launcher icon in the top left navigation bar. It looks like a waffle grid with 9 dots. This opens up a menu where you can search for or scroll through all available apps and features. Type campaigns into the search bar, or simply scroll until you find it, then select campaigns to open the list view. This is your central hub for viewing all active and past campaigns in your organization. Once you're in the campaigns list, take a moment to review the key fields displayed. You'll see columns like type, status, start date, expected revenue, and budgeted cost. These fields give you a quick snapshot of each campaign's purpose, timeline, and financial expectations. To get more detailed information about a specific campaign, click on its name to open the full record. This takes you into the campaign's main page, where you can explore everything in depth. Now click the Details tab to see the campaign details. This section shows you the core information about the campaign, including its name, description, active dates, and goals. It's where you'll find the strategic overview of what the campaign is designed to achieve. After reviewing the details, click on the Related tab to see related information such as campaign members, influenced opportunities, and more. This is where Salesforce really shines, showing you how the campaign connects to actual people and deals. On the Campaign Related tab, scroll down to the Campaign Members Related list. This section is crucial because it shows you every lead or contact associated with this campaign. Review the columns for name, status like sent or responded, type, and member details. These statuses tell you who engaged with your campaign and who didn't, giving you insight into your campaign's effectiveness. Next, scroll down further to check influenced opportunities of the campaign. This shows which deals were touched or influenced by this campaign, helping you measure ROI and understand the campaign's impact on revenue. Keep scrolling to check the campaign hierarchy, which displays parent and child campaigns if you've organized them that way. Finally, scroll down more to check campaign status members, which breaks down your audience by their current engagement level. And that's how you understand campaigns in Salesforce, from accessing the list view to analyzing members and influenced opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.